friend and welcome to my channel. Let's draw the geometric shapes together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the square with a vertical line, horizontal line, a vertical line, and a horizontal line. Draw the circle like I do. Draw the triangle with a diagonal line, horizontal line, and another diagonal line. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw the pentagon with a diagonal line, another diagonal line, horizontal line, a diagonal line, and another diagonal one. Now draw the rhombus with 4 diagonal lines. Draw the rectangle with a vertical line, horizontal line, a vertical line, and then a horizontal line. Draw the hexagon with a diagonal line, another diagonal one, a vertical line, 2 diagonal lines, and another vertical line. Draw the ellipse with an elongated circle. Wow! Our geometric shapes turn out great! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red for the square. Use orange for the circle. Use yellow for the triangle. Color the pentagon with green. Use indigo for the rhombus. for the rectangle. Use pink for the hexagon. And use purple for the ellipse. Excellent! Our shapes are perfect and colorful. Good job! And now let's repeat the geometric shapes together. Square, circle, triangle, pentagon, rhombus, rectangle, hexagon, ellipse. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!